Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Catch Up with Kavi. Today we have come to the LEPL mall for the movie Nora Bang. As per like so many K-pop groups like sing-along songs. We have enjoyed it so much. Like there are some of people has came, like some only attended the movie, but even though some of has couldn't attend it, it's still beautiful. It's still we enjoyed it so much. Like we sing along, we dance along, and we loved it so much. It was so beautiful, and we just came after the like. I just want to record the bits of the the movie clips. Like we have reached out of time. It was a last minute plan, so we couldn't even record some of the things. So I just want to make a vlog. Like today, I just came with the power bank and just mic. So I just don't wanna voice over the video. And what I have to say, we just came for a lunch to Burger King, and we just thought actually the Nora Bang Hype Cine Fest. It includes so many groups like the groups that included in like BTS. There are only two songs and 17. Oh my God, kids have enjoyed it so much. Like TST and Hype and Music. It was so top notch. Like it's so good, and we dance along and sing along. It's so good. Actually, at night I was so busy making freebies. Like I also made them. Like these are the freebies that I made at night. Like it includes the money, BTS money, and a BTS photo card, and backside Borahe. As you know, like I made it the last time. It also includes members, different members, J-Hope and RM, and we money. Like it looks like this. Like as you know, like there are so many pending videos that I have to upload. I have to edit it. Then I'll upload it soon. These are the money, and my voice has gone. As you know, like I said in my previous videos, I had cold. Like I've been saying that, like when I went Tuesday, like I eat ice cream there. My voice gone now. I had throat infection now. It's so bad. It's worse. Like I didn't sleep at night because I'm baking freebies. So even though I had these many problems, even though I'm sick, I just enjoyed it so much. Like it's so good, like watching them on screens and their MVs with the sing along subtitles and the karaoke. It was so good to watch them. Like as you know from my stories, my recently first YouTube short has hit 1K views. And there are so many people from other countries also watching my videos, like from Korea, Japan and Delhi. I was so good. It was so good to see those people also watching my videos. I'm going to ask my honey babe some of the questions, like what's ideal type. So let's say what's your ideal type? What kind of guy are you expecting? Like what kind of qualities are you expecting from a man?
Just loyal.
Just loyalty. And
humble person, kind.
Humble and kind person. And
not too much rich, but enough money.
He has enough money to live a life. And you don't expect that much.
First of all, I don't want to marry.
First of all, you don't want to marry, but you have ideal types.
I have just
in case, like if you fall for him.
Yes.
And the second question is, what is your top 5 recent apps that you most watched in your phone? Viewers and
Instagram. I'm only using Instagram for BTS.
You only use Instagram for BTS, and you don't follow anybody. Like you don't follow me.
I follow you. I'm Instagram only for you and some friends. And
hi, say hi. What's your name?
My name is Abhiyansita.
Huh?
Abhiyansita.
Abhyang?
Sinha.
Oh, Abhyang Sinha. Say hi.
Hi.
So we have a guest now. Little guest.
Abhyang Sinha.
Say something. What's she studying?
UKG.
UKG. Oh my god. You're so good at English. What school you studying in? What is your school name?
Shankit.
Hmm?
Shankit.
Huh? Scientist. Oh. You have any siblings? You have sister? You have sister? Where is she?
This one.
I'm your sister.
I am boy.
What's your favorite cartoons that you watch on TV?
SMG4 movie.
Hmm?
SMG4.
It's mic. Like you can talk.
What is happening?
Say something.
You stay.
What is it?
Okay, bye. Mic, just a mic.
Just a mic. Like we can talk. We can use to talk it.
Hello. It's not charging. Hello. Hello.
Say something that you.
Hello. What? French fries. Wow.
You want some?
Yes.
You like French fries? And what you like more?
What's that?
Mole, a mole.
It's a mall.
Little fan.
And we have a fun with little guests. It was so cute. As I said before, I don't order much. Like, my throat was not so good. I ordered cheeseburger, veg cheeseburger. Let's try it. It's so good, like as we know always. The cheese is so sour. From block to food block. Actually, we have planned so much, like we think of talking something.
We have not eaten breakfast.
We haven't any breakfast. The time is 1:30 and we haven't eaten anything. Like, I'll edit it. Okay. And we don't have any plans. Like, we don't plan anything. Like what to talk in the camera, in front of camera. Like we just talking naturally. Like what comes into my mind. Like we just talking.
మా బుడ్డోడు వాళ్ళు ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చాడు.
There's a little guest, and as we know, like you see in the previous clips, he was so cute. Like his parents take him away, but he's so cute. Like the way he's talking without any fear, so good. People are thinking that we are food bloggers and we are some famous YouTubers. The truth is we aren't even famous, like we didn't have any 50 subscribers. Like I forgot to say that my channel has about to reach 50 subscribers. That's a good news, like.
One day. One day.
Like I have to see after going to home, like I have to check it out, like how many subscribers I got. I expect some armies have been following me. That was so good, like they're interested in our videos, which was really good. And thus I have really interesting topics, like interesting content to do, but You know, I'm lazy and I don't have time. I'm really busy. Like sometimes I couldn't have time to eat. Like I've been busy so much in editing and doing voiceovers and writing things. And I do have so many things to do in my home. Like I was being sick also, like in recent times.
Few minutes later.
My hot chocolate has came out and let's try it out. And it's the hot chocolate that I ordered in BKK. It wasn't even that hot. To be honest, it was not so good. Anyways, I have ordered it, so I have to taste it no matter how taste it has. And here comes our sundae. No shame at all. Even though we have cold, we eat ice creams and we eat chocolate and all this stuff without any shame. From screaming, I have lost my throat. I have lost my voice also. Like I've been like so many armies have shared their experience in the group chats. Like they also lost their voices and they had also throat pain. And I saw today so many has came to dance. Like after I'm saying let's dance, why don't we have dance and why don't we have join? Because it's an MV song with the Nora Bank and there's a karaoke lyrics like as we all know. Guys, let's now mix hot chocolate and ice cream sundae. Here comes they are giving what sample?
Very blessed.
Berry blast sample and let's try it out. So good. It was so tasty. And it was a sample by them. It was actually good. What they said the name? Berry blast.
Very blessed.
Berry blast. It was berry blast, and they have included the berries also.
So good.
And I'll show you. Wait. I'll edit it out. I'll edit it.
Very blessed. It's too good.
Like as we asked our friend also.
It's too good.
It's too good. Like it's really good. And I got the hot chocolate after adding ice cream. It tastes a little bit good. Before it wasn't that much. In Burger King there are some shakes which are so good. Like this one and some other ones. Like I tried out some, milkshakes also. It was really good and tasty. You can try it out sometimes. The view was nice outside, like you can see it. Beside this cave, it's LUPL Mall. It was such a silly.
Funny guy.
Guys, I got this stand last night, so I'll upload shorts more in the YouTube and also Insta. Like I got this, my mama gives me this at last night, and I also got the Xiaomi power bank. so I can carry it now. Like I can voice over. I couldn't voice over the videos like as I always do. So I can speak anywhere I go, and I can carry the power bank along with me. And as you know, the mic that I'm speaking from first video is Granado mic, as you all know. And that's it. That's the only equipment that I got, and the phone also. I bought my outfit. It was from the last year's birthday. As you all know, like I've been searching for, like I've been searching for 2 hours. Like I've been trying this outfit, that outfit, that outfit, but at last I choose this. After I've been searching for whole 2 hours, I choose this dress. And guys, about the upcoming updates, I'll tell in every video that if there's any upcoming updates about K-pop related events or any concert in cinemas or any cinefest that are going on, like I've been updating you in every video. Like you can follow me on Insta, like I've been active in there, like I give all the updates in my Insta account. You can follow me there. And guys, if you see my nails, don't ever judge it. Like after trying so many nail arts, it successfully failed, so I erased it like very badly, so I ended up like this. I tried to post videos consistently, like as much as I could. I tried. Let's see how many videos that I can post next week. Like I've been trying so much, like to post shorts and videos, but time management. So let's see how many videos that I could post in the next week. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and catch me in next video too. Subscribe, like, share, and that's it. Catch up with Kavi. Bye bye.